Hello everyone. So topic is on Power Apps. Let's begin. If you have knowledge in Power Automate, that will be better. If don't have knowledge, see in my channel have real-time based scenario videos are uploaded, or you can learn from Microsoft Pages. What is Power Apps? Power Apps is a suite of applications, services, and connectors, along with a data platform, that provides a rapid application development environment to build custom apps for your business needs. These apps can connect to various data sources, such as Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and other platforms, or use data within Power Apps. Why use Power Apps? Ease of use. Power Apps allows users to create apps without needing extensive coding knowledge. It uses a drag and drop interface which makes it accessible for non-developers. Integration. Power Apps seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft services like SharePoint, Excel, and Teams, as well as with third-party services like Salesforce and Google Drive. Customization. You can create tailored solutions specific to your business processes, improving efficiency and productivity. Rapid development. It significantly reduces the time needed to develop an application. Instead of months, you can have a working app in days or weeks. Scalability. Power Apps supports the growth of your business. You can start small and scale up as your needs evolve. I will tell you the 3 examples of Power Apps use cases. Create expense reporting app. Scenario: your company needs a simple way for employees to submit expense reports. Solution: using Power Apps, you can create an app where employees can fill out expense forms, attach receipts, and submit them for approval. This app can integrate with SharePoint for storing documents and Power Automate for workflow automation. Then next, second example. Inventory management app. Scenario: you need to track and manage inventory levels in your warehouse. Solution: with Power Apps, you can build an app that allows staff to update inventory levels in real time, scan barcodes for easy entry, and generate reports on stock levels. This app can connect to an Excel file or a SQL database to store data. Then next, third example. Employee onboarding app. Scenario: streamlining the onboarding process for new employees. Solution: create an onboarding app that guides new hires through the necessary steps, such as filling out forms, reading company policies, and completing training modules. This app can be integrated with Microsoft Teams for communication and Dynamics 365 for HR management. By using Power Apps, we can develop these solutions quickly and efficiently, providing significant value to our organization without the need for extensive development resources. It empowers us to solve problems and optimize processes through customized applications tailored to our specific needs. Then see this tabs. Creating apps. Blank Canvas app. This is a Canvas app. Starts with a blank canvas where you can design the app's interface by dragging and dropping elements like buttons, text boxes, and images. By using this, it's perfect for creating custom layouts and designing an app from scratch to fit specific business needs. Designing a custom form for employees to submit feedback. Blank app based on Dataverse. This app is also a Canvas app, but it starts with a connection to Dataverse, a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to securely store and manage data used by business applications. By using this, it helps in leveraging existing data structures and entities within Dataverse to build more integrated and data-rich applications. Creating an app to track sales data that's stored in Dataverse. Power Pages website. This is Power Pages allows you to create secure, data-integrated websites. By using this, it's useful for creating public-facing websites that can interact with data from Dataverse. Building a customer portal where clients can view and manage their orders. Learning and managing apps. Learn. This is a section in Power Apps that provides tutorials, documentation, and learning resources. By using this to help users understand how to use Power Apps and develop their skills. Following a tutorial to learn how to create a new app. Apps. This tab shows all the apps you have created or have access to. By using this to manage, edit, and share apps. Reviewing the list of apps to find and open an inventory management app you previously created. Data management. Tables. Tables are data structures within Dataverse that store data in rows and columns, similar to tables in a database. By using this to define and manage the data schema for your applications. Creating a table to store customer information. Choices. Choices are predefined lists of options that can be used in tables, similar to drop-down menus. By using this to maintain consistency in data entry and simplify user input. Defining a choice list for the status field in a table with options like active, inactive, and pending. Automation and integration. Flows. Flows are automated workflows created using Power Automate. By using this to automate repetitive tasks and integrate different systems. Creating a flow that sends an email notification whenever a new record is added to a table. Connections. Connections link your app to external data sources like SharePoint, SQL Server, or third-party services. By using this to enable your app to access and use data from these sources. Connecting an app to a SharePoint list to display documents. Data flows. Data flows are used to extract, transform, and load, ETL, data from various sources into Dataverse or other destinations. By using this to automate the process of importing and cleaning data. Creating a data flow to regularly import sales data from an Excel file into Dataverse. Advanced development and AI. Solutions. Solutions are containers that hold all the components of an app, including tables, flows, and other assets. By using this to package and manage your app's components for deployment and distribution. Creating a solution to package an HR app for deployment across multiple departments. Websites. This refers to managing Power Pages websites you have created. By using this to edit and maintain your public-facing or internal websites. Updating the design of a customer service portal. Chatbots. Chatbots are AI-powered virtual agents created using Power Virtual Agents. By using this to provide automated customer service and support. Building a chatbot that answers common customer queries on your website. AI Hub. This is a central place for AI-related tools and resources within Power Platform. By using this to incorporate AI capabilities into your apps and workflows. Using AI Builder to analyze customer feedback sentiment. Catalog. This is a place to discover and use pre-built app templates and components. By using this to speed up app development by leveraging existing solutions. Using a pre-built template for a task management app. Then create blank app. Let's see few items. Popular. Popular elements are the most frequently used controls in app development. Button, triggers an action when clicked. Label, displays static text. Text input, allows users to enter text. Gallery, displays a collection of items in a repeating layout. Data table, shows data in a tabular format. Input. Input elements allow users to interact with your app by entering data. Text input, for entering single line or multi-line text. Drop down, for selecting an option from a list. Date picker, for selecting a date from a calendar. Checkbox, for selecting or deselecting an option. Toggle, for switching between two states, example on/off. Radio button, for selecting one option from a set. Display. Display elements are used to present information to the user. Label, displays text. HTML text, displays formatted HTML content. Text label, similar to a label but used specifically for text display. Chart, displays data in various chart formats, pie, bar, line. Timer, displays a countdown or stopwatch. Layout. Layout elements help in organizing and structuring other elements on the screen. Container, groups elements together for easier management. Horizontal/vertical gallery, displays items in a horizontal or vertical scrollable list. Form, creates a data entry form linked to a data source. Section, divides the screen into sections. Subsection, further divides a section into smaller parts. Media. Media elements allow you to add multimedia content to your app. Image, displays pictures. Video, plays video files. Audio, plays audio files. Camera, captures photos or videos using the device's camera. Barcode scanner, scans and decodes barcodes. Icons. Icons are graphical symbols that enhance the user interface. Standard icons include common icons like arrows, search, and home. Custom icons allows you to upload and use your own icons. Shapes. Shapes are simple geometric figures used for decoration or functional purposes. Rectangle, a four-sided figure, useful for backgrounds or highlighting areas. Circle, a round shape, useful for emphasis or buttons. Line, a straight line, used for separators or underlining text. Charts. Charts are used to visualize data graphically. Pie chart displays data as a pie divided into slices. Bar chart shows data as rectangular bars. Line chart displays data points connected by straight lines. AI Builder. AI Builder elements integrate AI capabilities into your app. Form Processor extracts data from forms. Text Recognition reads and interprets text from images. Object Detection identifies objects within images. Prediction uses machine learning models to make predictions based on data. Mixed Reality. Mixed reality elements add 3D models and augmented reality experiences to your app. View in 3D displays and interacts with 3D models. Mixed Reality Control places 3D objects in the real world using a device's camera. Spatial Anchors pins virtual content to real-world locations. Data. In Power Apps, managing data is crucial for building functional applications. Data sources. Power Apps can connect to various data sources, such as Dataverse, a cloud-based storage solution from Microsoft. SharePoint, for document management and storage. Excel, for simple data management. SQL Server, for complex database requirements. Third-party services, like Salesforce, Dropbox, Google Drive, etc. Tables. Within Dataverse, you can create tables to store structured data. Tables are similar to database tables with rows and columns. Columns define the data structure within a table, specifying data types like text, number, date, etc. Relationships establish connections between different tables, such as one-to-many or many-to-many relationships. Forms and galleries use forms for data entry and galleries for displaying data in a structured manner. Media. Media elements enhance your app by adding multimedia content. Image displays pictures from local files or URLs. Video embeds videos from local files or streaming services. Audio embeds audio files. Camera captures photos or videos directly from the device's camera. Barcode scanner scans and decodes barcodes for quick data entry. Power Automate. Power Automate, formerly known as Microsoft Flow, is a service that helps you create automated workflows between your apps and services. Triggers, events that start the workflow, such as when a new item is created in SharePoint or a new row is added in an Excel file. Actions, steps performed after the trigger, like sending an email, updating a database, or posting a message in Teams. Connectors, pre-built integrations with various services, enabling you to connect Power Apps to hundreds of other applications. Example workflow. Trigger, a new entry is added to an employee attendance table. Actions, send an email notification to HR, update a SharePoint list, and log the entry in an Excel file. Variables. Variables in Power Apps are used to store data temporarily within your app. Global variables, use the set function to create and set a global variable that can be accessed from anywhere in the app. Example, set current user full name to store the current user's name. Context variables, use the update context function to create and set a variable that is only accessible within a specific screen. Example, update context, is form visible, true, to control the visibility of a form. Collections, use the collect function to create a collection, which is like a table of temporary data. Example, collect, employee list, name, John Doe, department, HR, to add an item to a collection. Advanced tools. Power Apps provides advanced tools to enhance the functionality and performance of your applications. Formula bar, write complex logic and calculations using PowerFX, a formula language in Power Apps. Example, if text input 1.text equals hello, hi, goodbye, to display different messages based on user input. Components, create reusable components that can be used across different apps and screens. Example, a custom button with a specific style and behavior. Performance optimization, use techniques like delegation to improve app performance by processing data on the server rather than the client. Example, using delegated functions like filter and sort to handle large data sets. Security roles, define and assign security roles to control access to different parts of your app and data. Example, creating roles like admin and user to restrict access to sensitive information. Environment variables, use environment variables to store values that can be changed without modifying the app, such as API keys or connection strings. Example, set API key, environment, my API key, to store and use an API key securely. Save as, this option allows you to save a copy of your app under a different name or in a different environment. This is useful if you want to create a backup or a new version of your app. To save the app, click on Save. If it's the first time you are saving the app, provide a name for your app. Click Save. Auto-save. Power Apps Studio also has an auto-save feature that periodically saves your work automatically. However, manually saving is recommended to ensure your latest changes are preserved. Publishing your app. Publishing your app makes the latest saved version available to users. Here's how to publish your app. Save your changes. Before publishing, make sure you have saved all your changes. Open the File menu, click on the File tab in the top right corner. Click on Publish. Select Publish from the menu. You will see a dialog box showing the current published version and the version you are about to publish. Publish this version. Click on Publish this version. Confirm that you want to publish this version of the app. This will make the latest saved version available to users.